Carter's Playhouse. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Carter. Welcome back to Carter's Playhouse. Make sure to hit those notifications and give this video a big thumbs up. Today I'm doing a Dollar Tree makeup routine. Let's get into this video. First I'm going to be wiping my face with the makeup wipes and then putting on this primer. So right now, I'm using some makeup wipes. And I think you guys can see my dog. Her name is Lexi, so I'm gonna show her right on camera. There we go. I hope you think she's cute. I think she is cute. So I'm gonna wipe my face. It's almost done. Sorry guys, it's taking forever and it's done. Hopefully you guys like my video. Please, please, I'm trying to get to 100K. What should I do first? Oh yes, this. I'm gonna do this first.
Put it on your face. You gotta rub it all in.
Make sure you get it all rubbed in. I don't know what this is really for. I just see my mommy use it.
Okay.
First, I'm gonna be starting with this eyebrow pencil. Not too dark, because you want it to look natural. Next, I'm gonna use some mascara for the eyes because I do not know how to do lashes. Now, perfect. Next, I'm going to be applying some foundation on my beauty blender. Make sure you don't put too much because you don't want to look like a clown. That's what my mommy says. So I just have and then you want to blend it in. You want to blend so you want to look natural as possible. Perfect. Now you want to use highlight. Just use your 2 fingers fingers and put it on your cheekbones. Now you want to blend with this end because you don't want to blend with this end because it has foundation on it. And then after that, you want to do the other side. And then you want to add a tiny bit more for the other side. Then you want to blend again. Kind of rub it so it doesn't be that hard. It doesn't take forever. Now here's my favorite part, eyeshadow. So I have different kinds of eyeshadow, but I think this one might be my most favorite. So I'm gonna use this color right here. Right here, I'm using this color, that color. So first I'm gonna add some white. And then you want to add your color. Make sure you don't add too much on your brush because that's going to make you look like a tiny scary clown. But you want to add a tiny bit more. I use this eyeshadow a lot of times. So I'm gonna do white for the other side. I know it looks kind of weird, so I'm gonna blend it in with my finger. Perfect. Then, gonna add this color. And then next, we're gonna be using this. This is some melanin lip gloss. And make sure you subscribe to my mommy's channel. You don't want to add a little too much. So, last but not least, the setting spray.
One spray.
Just one spray. I'll show you guys like this. Mommy, can you help me?
Yeah. Okay.
So you want to dry it off. And this is the finished look. Make sure you guys give this a video a thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on your notifications if you like this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!